guys, this is Andrew Davis. I'm actually your sales rep here at Earthwalk, and just wanted to show you an easy way to utilize one of our MiniMax carts with the AC Smart Timer solution. First of all, I've got the AC adapter end, maybe 16 inches long from where I bundled it here. So what you want to do is just fold this in half, okay? You wrap this right around the bar here, and you feed the adapter through, effectively tying it around, easily tying it around the bar. Now what you can do is simply slide the adapter to the side and feed the wire through, and that's it. The laptop will easily slide in right next to the adapter and the wire. And this length is the same length as like a 15-inch widescreen, so you can see there's plenty of room over here for the adapter and everything. And you just plug it in, and then you plug it in the back. You also can go ahead and do it on the left side, same way. Just loop it around and through. The adapter will fit on all the shelves, and that'll keep the mess away, the adapter away, and everything like that. Now you just take your plug and you just plug it in, and you're done. Easy solution. All right.